Prayagraj. The dispute between the advocate and the doctors, which has taken place on Wednesday at Swaroop Rani Medical College Prayagraj, resulted into a tug-of-war between two parties. None of the one is ready to bow down legitimacy, forcing the two fraternity into their own prestigious issue. Keeping in lieu of this, Allahabad Medical Association has organized a press conference in which Dr. Kamal Kumar has assured that appropriate action will be taken. Doctor have decided to go on to the single-day strike, and if the issue won't be resolved, then it will be extended further. Apart from this, is also said that some junior doctors by whom some problem has imbibed as association will come forward to take some reasonable actions against them so that this type of incident should not be repeated in future. May Anurag Dubey reporting for Onyx Media Today, Prayagraj.
Course of action.
We just want that FIR against advocate is must, and only one-sided action is not acceptable. So we are going to make a strike, token strike for one day from tomorrow 8 a.m.
Okay. So anything else would you like to speak about this?
I'm very much hurt to listen this incident that our young doctors misbehaved with some advocates, not by all. They should be must be guilty, and action should be taken against advocates, those advocates also.
Your association is going to come forward with some type of penalization or some type of suspension for the doctors who has committed some type of mistake or blunder from their side?
No, I think doctors were not at fault. It's the advocate who provoked and beaten to the young lady doctors.
So what positive message would you like to give, sir, regarding all the issues which has taken place yesterday?
This should be condemned, and as early as possible, strike should be called up, and administration should take action those guilty persons, and poor public should not suffer because of this strike.
Thank you very much, sir.
होता क्या है कि जब सिरोही साहब यहाँ एक सीनियर एडवोकेट थे, वो मार खाते हैं तो जजेस तक उतर आते हैं, लेकिन जब एक महिला अधिवक्ता पे इस तरह से कुठाराघात किया जाता है, हमारी अस्मिता को छेड़ा जाता है, हमारी कई बहनें यहाँ बैठी हैं जिनको पकड़ के कमरे में बंद करके मारा जाता है, तो हमारे सीनियर भी चूड़ियाँ पहन के बैठे हैं, इसका दुख है। लेकिन यहाँ जितना यूथ है वो अपने से आंदोलनरत है, यहाँ जितने भाई हमारे, जितनी बहनें बैठी हैं, ये कहीं से ये क्या नाम है, हमारी बहन के लिए संवेदना है, और ये हम सत्य की लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं। आपके यहाँ के पत्रकार भी एडमिट हुए हैं, वो भी मार खाए। यहाँ सिपाही एडमिट हुआ, वो भी मार खाया। किसी का भी मोबाइल ये लोग छीन लेते हैं, किसी की चैन छीन लेते हैं, और इनके साथ सबसे बड़ी चीज़ है कि इनका पूरा का पूरा एक कॉकस बंधा हुआ है। अगर आप देखेंगे जूनियर जितने मेडिकल के वहाँ वो हैं दुकानें हैं, वो हर डॉक्टर के साथ संबंधित कमीशन सेट है, कमीशन सेट है। और आप बताइए, सुबह अगर बच्चियों ने कहा कि हमारी बहन को चोट लगी, आप उठ जाइए, तो क्या उन्होंने गुनाह कर दिया?